When it comes to self-defense, the right tool can make all the difference. But with so many options available, how do you know which one is best for you? Today, we're diving into 6 powerful self-defense products to compare and find out which one stands out. Let's see how each of these stacks up in terms of performance, design, and value for money. Stay tuned as we pick a winner by the end. First up, we have the Umarex T4E by P2P HDP 0.5 caliber pepper ball pistol. This compact and lightweight pepper ball pistol is a solid choice for those looking for a non-lethal alternative to firearms. Weighing only 2.2 pounds and measuring 12 inches, it's easy to handle with an ergonomic grip for better control. The T4E offers versatile ammunition options, pepper balls, rubber balls, and powder balls, making it highly adaptable to different situations. Whether you need to ward off an attacker or deter a threat, this pistol provides an effective solution. However, its effective range is limited to around 20 to 30 feet, which means it's more suitable for close to medium-range defense. But with its affordable price and simple operation, it's a reliable option for personal safety without breaking the bank. What do you think? Is this your top pick for self-defense? Next, we have the Omega Star Warrior Stun Gun. At 18.5 inches and 2.5 pounds, this powerhouse packs some serious stopping power. If you're looking for something that will get attention, the bright electric arc combined with the high amperage will surely do the job. It's built tough and designed for easy handling, making it a practical tool for home defense. With a design meant to intimidate, this stun gun ensures that you'll stand your ground in a threatening situation. The downside, its bulky size might be a challenge for portability, but if you need maximum stopping power and aren't concerned with size, the Omega Star Warrior delivers. It's definitely a strong contender. Do you agree, or do you find the size to be a deal breaker? Moving on to the SABRE Pepper Spray Self-Defense Launcher Pack. This kit gives you more than just pepper spray, it's a whole defense system. With 7 red pepper projectiles and 14 practice rounds, this launcher allows you to safely prepare and practice, ensuring you're ready when it matters most. The effective range is impressive, making it a good option for both outdoor and urban environments, and the ergonomic design makes it easy to use under pressure. This setup is highly effective in deterring aggressors, especially when used with the practice rounds to improve aim. The downside? You'll need to replace CO2 cartridges periodically. But for its performance and price, it's a great option for anyone looking for a user-friendly and effective non-lethal weapon. What are your thoughts on this one? Could this be the self-defense product for you? The Pepper Gun Air Self-Defense 0.43 caliber CO2 non-blowback pistol comes in at number 4. This gun is all about ease of use. There's no recoil, and it's simple to operate, making it an excellent choice for beginners. The CO2-powered system gives you solid stopping power with pepper projectiles, offering a non-lethal way to defend yourself with authority. Its lightweight makes it easy to carry, and the ergonomic grip enhances comfort during use. However, its range isn't as far as some other models, which could be a concern for those needing to engage at longer distances. With a lightweight design and a police-grade pepper formula, it's a great choice for personal defense, especially for those who want a straightforward, non-lethal weapon. But do you think it can hold up to the others in terms of power and accuracy? Share your thoughts. At number 3 is the Byrna TCR Ultimate Bundle Tactical Compact Air Rifle. This rifle is all about versatility. Whether you're looking for self-defense, target practice, or just having fun, the Byrna TCR does it all. It's not only reliable in high-pressure situations, but also great for honing your shooting skills at the range. With a powerful 0.68 caliber and a full bundle of accessories, it offers excellent value for money, making it a fantastic investment for both beginners and more experienced users. The performance is solid, delivering consistent power and accuracy at both close and medium ranges. While it's a bit heavier than some of the competition, its tactical look and ease of use make it a great option. How does this one measure up in your eyes? Could it be your go-to tool for personal defense and practice? The SABRE Home Defense Pepper Projectile Launcher takes the second spot. This product is designed for maximum stopping power, delivering a potent pepper gel that is 40% more effective than traditional pepper sprays. This is particularly useful for neutralizing threats from a distance, ensuring your safety without needing to be up close. The compact design and easy-to-use mechanism make it a top choice for home defense, especially in high-stress situations. The downside? It's a little larger than some competitors, which could be less discreet, and it has a limited range compared to firearms. But if you're looking for precision and powerful deterrence, this is an excellent option. Would you choose this one for home protection? Or do you have another favorite in mind? Now, let's talk about the winner. After looking at all these options, the SABRE Home Defense Pepper Projectile Launcher comes out on top. Why? It combines enhanced stopping power, precision targeting, and ease of use, making it the best choice for home defense. Its pepper gel minimizes blowback and offers more accurate shots than traditional pepper spray, making it a great option for those who need to defend their homes effectively. Plus, it's compact, durable, and user-friendly, ensuring that you won't struggle with its operation under pressure. For those seeking an effective non-lethal defense tool, this is the one to go for. It offers peace of mind without the need for lethal force. But don't just take our word for it. What's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more self-defense product reviews, and stay safe out there.